For our penultimate night in France, we decided we'd go to Le Touquet before heading up to Calais. As we come off the A road, the road was absolutely rammed. We didn't understand why, and it wasn't until we tried to get into the air, which was rammed as well, that we realised there was an air show on starting at 1 o'clock, so we got a free air show. So enjoy the air show along with us. They're celebrating the 70th anniversary of the French Air Force, and obviously we had a few refreshments, found quite cheap, and got these for free, commemorative beakers. Very nice of them, thank you very much. So after our free air show, we went back to the air, had our dinner, and then took a walk out along the coastal path. As you can see, the basin itself is tidal, and the tide was out. It was very windy that day, but this is about a 2-minute walk from the air itself. Very nice. before we depart for Calais and our final night, we decided to take a walk into the town itself, and again, like the rest of France itself, there were some lovely buildings, a lovely little town. We didn't go in there last night, we just went back, had our dinner, had a little walk, and then stayed in the motorhome for the night. Enjoy.
I think you can see it like a little Eiffel Tower. Little market square. Apparently this place is very popular with Parisians. It's probably why they've got that sculpture there. So our last full day on French soil for this trip finds us parked upon the campsite Le Grand Graviot in Calais itself. Bit tight getting in here, but driver like me, easy. One, two, 3, 4. Any ideas where we are?
So just like yesterday, today is very, very windy, but again it's nice and dry, which you can't complain at. So after a little wander about, we decided to stop, have a little bit of hydration, and then finish off with a little bit more discovery of what Calais has, and then head out for an evening meal. This statue itself is said to be of Charles de Gaulle, and his good lady wife. So after our final meal in Calais, a lovely meal it was as well, it was off to bed, up in the morning, and then this is the sight you don't want to see, is Calais itself, and then on the train, off the train, through the tunnel, and head north for home. France, you're an amazing place, we loved every minute, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed joining us on our journey in France the last 2.5 weeks. If you did enjoy it, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more, just click on the bell so you get notified, and subscribe to us. And again, thank you very much for joining us on our journey. We had an absolute blast of a time. Thank you again, France.